Welcome to the future of me being lazy. This is me mowing my lawn without actually mowing. That little gray gizmo out there is doing it for me. I basically hired a robot to do my weekend chore while I chill. Quick heads up, I did receive this BestMow robotic mower for free in exchange for my honest video review. So everything I say here is my real experience with no fluff, just grass. So I got the BestMow robotic mower and I've been treating it like my new pet. No leash required. It uses this fancy RTK GPS thing to know exactly where it is. That means straight lines instead of random lawn squiggles. My grass looks like a golf course now. Setup wasn't bad, no perimeter wires, just walked the yard and mapped it with the app and then hit go. The app's easy to use and can set up schedules, draw in no-go zones, and it'll handle the rest. So obviously I had to test its obstacle skills. First up, my kids' toys. We threw a bunch in the mower's path, and yep, BestMow slowed down and went around. It does have good manners. We knew it would be tough to spot a low-lying snake in the grass. It did bump into it, but immediately stopped the blades and went around afterwards. This was actually kind of cool. So obstacle avoidance is excellent in my experience. The app shows you where it's mowing in real time, and you can even drive it manually, which feels like you're playing a slow lawn video game. It docks itself when it's low on battery, and then it heads back out to finish the job. All right, honest thoughts, pros. I'm not sweating out here, and the lines are clean, and it's quiet, and the yard looks great. No fumes, no drama, just quiet mowing while I hang out with my kid. Cons, price. It's not cheap. $80 a month to lease or $1,600 to buy. But if you use this referral link, you can get $10 off per month. Also, it doesn't edge along the fences perfectly, so you'll still have to pull out your trimmer for that. But if you have a really big property, this might be able to do 95% of the work for you. So would you trust a robot with your lawn, or do you like firing up your old gas mower and sweating it out? Let me know what you need to make the switch, and if you are interested in purchasing, you can save that $10 a month. Just use the referral code in the video description or type it into your browser. Cheers, and thanks for stopping by our yard.